Something very disparaging earlier today. We're here. They said that that Velcro Pygmy fans were not as big a drunks as Rat Ranch fans. That fucking pisses me off. We need some drinking in this place. I want y'all to prove. Actually, what they said was alcoholics. And I repeated that, and somebody said, hey man, Velcro Pygmy fans are not alcoholics. We're drunks. Alcoholics feel guilt. Drunks are just party. So, we have got plenty of young ladies and men walking around here. It's like fucking Papa John's. If you order some shit, they'll bring it right to you. Drink it up. You got two hands, you might as well have them both filled. Exactly. People keep talking about me, baby, she got her hands filled. And they say that I'm doing you wrong. But don't you worry, baby, don't you worry, mama, cause I'm right here, right here, right here, Everybody scream!